Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's April. Today I'm showing you how to do mini twists using 16-inch Afro Kinky human hair from BLL Hair. I received 5 packs for this style. Now this is their Afro Kinky bulk hair. A lot of people might find this hair kind of difficult to use, but it's really not. And it's actually one of my favorite types of hair to use when it comes to doing mini twists with added hair. It's very soft and stretchy, very easy to separate. And what I like to do is just separate the hair into 2 big sections and then work on one section of that hair at a time. Now you will experience the hair kind of falling apart when you try to separate it, but all you have to do is just add it back to the hair like I'm doing and form it back together. So you just want to repeat that process until you get it to your liking. It's really not that difficult at all, so please don't overcomplicate it if you happen to purchase it. Also, all the details about this hair will be in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I also parted my hair in 4 sections, 2 in the front and also 2 in the back. And I will be trying out some new products as well. So this is the Murray's Edge Wax. Let me know what y'all think about this. I've already completed the back of my hair so far off camera. I just had to get that part out the way. It's just kind of difficult to do my hair while I'm recording in the back. So I'm sectioning the front and sides into manageable parts. Now, I never focus on the parts in the back of my head, but for the front, I do like them to look more neat and put together. For this install, I am doing the feed-in method. I'm braiding at the root first, and I like to split my hair in half and add the human hair right in the middle and begin twisting. This is the amount of hair I use for each twist, and for some of the twists, I had to feed in 3 pieces, and others I only used 2, only because my hair density kind of varies throughout my hair. So to keep that same consistency or twist size, I had to add more pieces than some of the others. So once I add in the human hair, I'm twisting while twisting in the opposite direction. And whenever I feel like the twist is thinning out, I add in some more hair. And once I get to the ends, I cut off the excess hair. So I didn't want to twist my hair all the way down because I wanted the ends to be really curly to complement the hairstyle. And by the way, I only used 2.5 packs of hair, so that's pretty exciting because I do plan on doing this style again. And I'll be honest, doing mini twists definitely takes some time. This isn't a quick hairstyle. You'll definitely need some patience. But I actually like the process because it's kind of relaxing once you get in a rhythm. This is one of those styles I love to do before trips, vacations, or busy weeks because once it's in, I don't have to think about my hair every single day. So right now, I'm just going to demonstrate once again how I add in the human hair, and then I will speed it up from here. So right now, I'm just braiding at the root. And once I braid down a little bit, I'm going to add in the human hair and begin twisting in the opposite direction. And again, thanks so much to BLL Hair for sponsoring this video. And like I said earlier, all the details about this hair will be in the description box below. So please make sure you guys check that out. I was actually trying to go for small to medium twists, not too tiny, but still small enough to give me a full natural look. I feel like this size is a perfect balance because it's not going to take me days to finish, but it still gives me that neat detailed look that I love. Another reason I went with this size is because the smaller twists usually last longer and they get more fuller as the days go by, which I actually like. It gives the style more volume over time instead of looking way down. And since this is human hair, it's going to move more naturally. So I really wanted that small to medium size to match the realistic look that I was going for. Now that my twists are all done, I will be dipping the ends in water. I really love how these came out too, by the way. I feel like this is the best I've ever done them. I love how full they look and definitely like the overall volume of the hairstyle. So now that the ends are dipped, I'm going in with some mousse, and this really helped my ends pop so much. Like, I just love this hairstyle. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I love how natural and lightweight they feel, and the movement is so pretty since this is Afro Kinky human hair. Huge thank you again to BLL Hair for sending me this gorgeous hair. I have all the details and links in the description box below if you want to check them out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss protective style videos from me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.